Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to withdraw from the Toobit Exchange using Bitcoin. In the previous tutorial, you saw how we funded our account using this method, and now we want to withdraw that balance. To do this, you need to go to the Assets section and click on the Withdraw option. On the Withdraw page, you have two options, On-Chain Transfer and Internal Transfer. On the internal transfer page, a 0% fee is applied, and you can transfer your account balance to another person's account within the Toobit Exchange. All you need to do is select the desired coin here. Then enter the UID, email, or phone number of the person you want here, and after clicking on the withdraw option, the balance will be transferred to their account without any fees. We want to withdraw our balance to our personal wallet, so we use the on-chain transfer option. In the first section here, set the desired coin to Bitcoin and use the Bitcoin network. Now you need to enter your personal wallet address here, and then enter the amount you want to withdraw. At the bottom of the page, you will see the available balance for withdrawal, the withdrawal fee amount, the minimum withdrawal amount, and your 24-hour account limit based on your verification level. You can also enter a note for your withdrawal here, and the exact amount you'll receive in your account will be displayed. Keep in mind that currently, the fee for this withdrawal is about $40, which is considered a relatively high amount. Our suggestion to you is to convert your balance to Tether or other cryptocurrencies for withdrawal, so you can make your withdrawal with a much lower fee. However, if you only want to withdraw your balance in Bitcoin on this page, after entering the address and amount, click on the Withdraw button. Then, you'll need to enter the code sent to your email as well as the one-time code generated by the Google Authenticator app in this section. But an interesting point we encountered is that the minimum withdrawal amount is shown to us as this number in this section. However, when we tried to withdraw an amount higher than this, a different minimum withdrawal amount was displayed to us. Also, when we talked to the support team about the minimum withdrawal amount, they gave us a different number compared to the previous two. And finally, when we asked for a solution to this issue, they told us that you need to make your withdrawal according to the amount they specify. So, in the end, with a balance greater than this amount of Bitcoin, you can make your withdrawal, and as mentioned before, after entering the code sent to your email and the one-time password, your withdrawal request will be processed. Also, after completing the withdrawal process, you can view the history and details of this transaction at the bottom of this page. Well, that was the tutorial on how to withdraw from your Toobit account using Bitcoin. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.